away. Your job's a joke you broke, your love life's the old way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you.
The Cookie Show.
Welcome to the Cookie Show. I'm here with Isaac and João. Hey! And guess what? And guess what?
What?
And guess what?
What?
What we are making today? Pizza.
Maybe pizza?
Pizza. I don't know. I want to hear you guys. What we're making?
Yes,
What? Yeah, that's right. Correct. We're making cookies today. And we have two special guests. Isaac, can you tell me who are the special guests today?
So today, guys, we'll have two special guests. And guess their names?
Yeah, Larissa and Camila. Okay.
So today, we're gonna making cookies and
Cookies.
You will learn with us how to make a cookie.
Okay. So João, can you tell me what the ingredients are?
For sure, man. So our ingredients are 1 cup of butter. Can you guys point to the ingredient I'm talking about? All right. So we're gonna have 1 cup of butter, a quarter. Is it a quarter? Yeah, a quarter cup of packed light brown sugar. There's one right here, guys. And we're going to also have to have a quarter. Oh no,
3 quarters, okay?
3 quarters. Sorry, guys. And also 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You guys can see here. That's delicious. Yes. So, and we're gonna have 2 eggs. That's another ingredient. Another thing is 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. That's one. All right. And we're also going to have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Ooh.
And don't forget the flour.
And we're also.
Just look at this.
Whoa, we pointed to the
Look at
wrong
this.
one.
My God.
That's
Flour, guys. It's actually flour. We're
yes.
gonna use this to make the cookies.
We're also going to have to add half a teaspoon of salt. Where's the salt? Oh, that's the salt.
That's the salt.
We pointed
Baking soda.
the wrong one. I'm
Baking
sorry.
soda, I think this is this
So,
baking
this
soda.
one, yeah.
Yeah, this baking soda.
We're also
This is
gonna
flour.
we're also gonna use 2 cups of chopped milk chocolate or chocolate chips.
Oh, chocolate chips.
This-
Yeah.
This is the
God.
magical part. All right.
Yeah,
You guys are gonna love
Yeah,
it.
guys.
This is where we get interest.
So, and the last one, but no, that's one that's optional, so we're not gonna use it.
To do it
Yeah, you can also add 1 cup of chopped nuts, but we don't want nuts.
Nah, we don't want
Who
nuts.
wants nuts?
No one.
No one. Yeah. So keep with us, guys. We're gonna have special guests that are going to be like trying our cookies, and they're going to grade it in some way. So stick till the end. Maybe you find out who they are.
And actually subscribe to my channel.
Try not to. Let's go.
Can you see the red bottom?
Right
Click it. Just click it and like it. So you guys.
Agora você. Sorry, guys. I spoke Brazilian Spanish. So we're going to also mention the equipment that's needed. So can you guys point to what I'm saying? Okay. First of all, we're gonna have an oven. We're gonna use an oven.
Guys,
It's an equipment.
Can you
oven.
point me where's the oven here, camera?
Right here.
Guys,
It's
this is a
really
oven.
hot.
Don't
You
touch
shouldn't
it. Don't touch it.
You need to put it. Just one thing. You need to put it in a 375 Fahrenheit.
Oh, we got that.
But here in Brazil, we use Celsius. In Brazil, it's
Celsius
180
Portuguese.
Celsius.
Celsius
Okay,
Portuguese.
that's right. So,
That's right.
so here we can see, and you need to put it before you be making this. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
You
So
need
that's
to
right.
preheat the oven before you make the
All right.
cookies.
Our other equipments for our recipe are going to be the mixer.
Recipe.
That's
Recipe.
one.
Recipe.
Where we're going recipe. Sorry. We're going to mix
It's called
our the cookies with it. Also a mixing bowl. All right.
All right.
Uh,
That's all right. That's all right.
now we're not using that, and yeah, we're also not using that.
Yeah.
So now we're going to the steps, and each one of us on this group are going to do one of the steps of the recite. So let's find out how this goes.
Okay, guys. So now the first step of our recipe, we're gonna mix the flour with the butter. Yeah, it's the first step.
You're just gonna add.
Oh, I'm just gonna add the butter to the. Can you please camera please just show? So we cut that into magic like holy. So we're gonna just put the butter in the bowl. Ooh, melted butter for sure. That's not real.
Now we're
butter.
gonna add some granulated sugar.
Granulated sugar, please. Can you add
White sugar.
white sugar? Yeah, white sugar.
All right.
All right.
Looking
I
good.
prefer the white one.
Now Larissa's gonna add the brown sugar.
Brown
Yes,
sugar.
this is the brown
And she
sugar.
can also add the vanilla, please.
Add the vanilla, please.
Can you show?
Just
Guys, just look at this.
so here's the vanilla.
Here's the vanilla.
It gave a taste incredible to our cookie.
Don't like cameras.
Okay.
Okay.
Camera, please. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Say hi.
Hello.
Oh my god.
We're adding the vanilla, please.
All right.
Shut up.
Oh my god, it's
Now we're gonna mix it all until it's creamy. All right.
We're gonna mix it. So I'm not very good at this, but I'll try. Girls, you know how to cook. Teach me, okay? It's a girls thing.
Sorry, guys.
that's bad.
So now I'm going to
Pretty bad.
kind of
See,
try to
cooking.
tell you guys something about it. It's looking delicious already, It's looking weird, but
Smells good.
delicious.
Like me.
It smells good.
Let's bring the microphone here to the girls. Girls. So Larissa, you are our special guest today. You want to say something to our classmates?
I think the moment is so special.
Oh, shut up. Camila, you want to say something?
Now we are gonna add the eggs.
Okay, so camera, we are gonna add the eggs, okay? So look at the eggs. Look at the eggs. Larissa will mix it. Camila will put it in.
All right. Do you want? We gotta show the eggs. Sorry.
Okay, guys,
We gotta show you.
We're gonna make the eggs.
So please, second camera. Please.
Second camera.
It's kitchen.
No, it's chicken.
No, it's
Chicken.
not.
Chicken. Yeah.
We're in the kitchen.
Yeah. So Joan is gonna put it in. It's a goal. It's a goal.
In the kitchen.
Now Larissa will mix it. Is that it?
Ooh, looking delicious.
Looking what delicious. So now, as they're mixing, we're gonna say something to you guys.
Baking soda.
All of this is possible because of you.
Yeah.
All of this is because of you. All of this. So as they're mixing, make sure you hit that follow button down below and hit the like button and the subscribe button. Okay?
And we do have a little word from
I didn't-
our sponsors. Yeah.
Oh my
Our sponsor here is Tachi, our favorite teacher. All right. You're the best. I mean, that's why we clap every time you come in the room at our classroom because we love you. You're our sponsor today. All right. You're the one making this possible. Thank you so much.
So we're back at the kitchen and Larissa just finished mixing.
While she was mixing, I put the baking soda right here.
Okay, so she put the baking soda and the salt.
I'm gonna put it right now.
What about this salt?
Okay?
Just a little bit, okay?
Just a little bit because I
Because
don't
it's a
want to
sweet
taste
thing.
it salty.
Yes.
You know, we want what do I say?
Guys.
Like it's sweet. It's sweet cookie. It's not a salty cookie.
I think basically we just made something wrong.
So here's the thing, just a detail. We should do the eggs, and like the flour and the
That's not a
baking
problem.
soda and salt
problem.
separately, and then add.
That's not a problem.
It's not a problem.
Maybe it is.
It's all gonna be mixed. It's all gonna be mixed at some time. So you guys, make sure you read the recipe correctly. And don't do as us we are doing because we're dumb. So now, hey, here, come here. Yeah, I like it. So they're gonna mix with the flour now.
Yes.
Is that it?
And then with the chocolate milk chocolate.
Okay. So they're
It's
putting the flour.
pretty
Holy!
I'm not gonna put
my
it
goodness!
all at all.
So yeah, guys, just look at this. They're mixing. Oh my god.
Looking good.
Oh yeah.
It's not a problem. We're gonna cut it off.
Camila, we have a question for you. What is your opinion about the Tatiana teacher?
I love her.
Oh
Such
my
a nice,
god.
such a nice teacher.
I think she's the best.
Me too.
Your dad wants to talk to you. So as they're mixing again,
I think
Camila-
time to go, guys.
everyone say goodbye to Isaac. Come here, Isaac.
Bye.
Say goodbye to Isaac. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
Makes part of the show.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add some more
Your phone.
powder.
Vai deixar o celular.
Não tem problema.
I think it's time to mix with hands.
1 minute, please.
I think it's time to mix with hands.
With your hand.
Bro, they're dumb.
Okay, give me.
They're dumb as hell, boy.
Give me this.
So
dumb
we're
as
gonna
hell.
entertain us while the girls cook. So what are you gonna tell
Breathe me, guys.
the people?
Trivia quest. Okay, trivia quest.
So last class we learned about comparisons, right?
Comparisons.
Yeah. And just tell us some of the ways you can compare things.
I don't know. Okay, so
And now we are mixing with our own hands.
so they're mixing with their hands. It's not a problem. We washed our hands.
Yes.
It's all sanitized.
Pretty clean.
You didn't.
Shut up.
You did it? I did. Okay. So
Oh, your English is pretty good.
I did it.
Just mix. I want to eat the cookies. Yeah,
Okay.
it is a threat.
Okay.
It is a threat.
I think it's time. No, not yet.
It is a threat.
Not yet.
Milk chocolate.
Can you
You
take
wanna
off
add
my
it?
bracelet?
No, we can just mix it. We're running out of time. So Pedro, can
Stop
you?
being so mean.
Pedro is our cameraman,
Oh, look at
And-
this. Look at this,
and
man.
he's showing us the chocolate chips that we're gonna use. Shut up. The chocolate chips parts. I don't know. My English is bad.
Add some more baking powder.
So grab the baking powder. So we bought Hershey's because it's my favorite chocolate and my
But we
my
should-
no
we
wait
should have bought-
my birthday it's coming, okay, it's close, and if you want to give me a present, you know what, Hershey's, I love it.
But we should have bought him his
Him his what?
because we're boys.
Him his what?
Hershey's.
Him here.
Guys, we got a secret on our kitchen that we didn't show you yet. But look at this.
Pausa. Vai demorar um pouquinho.
Vai demorar, então a gente pausa. So
So
we're gonna get back in
I'm
like
gonna
5
finish
minutes.
mixing, and then we are back.
Colocar o microfone perto.
Oh.
5 minutes. Pause. Okay.
So
now.
wait, transition.
Whoa! Whoa! Okay, so now guys, come here, camera please. This is churros. So now we're gonna put the chocolate chips in. It's not chocolate chips, but I call it so. We're gonna put in the cookies dough. Yeah, dough is massa in Portuguese. And then Camila will mix it and then we'll bake it. Just a little
It's
quick.
gonna taste amazing.
Who farted?
Look at this.
Who farted?
Not me.
I'm gonna mix it again. And
Give it to
we
me,
are
Mike
back
Reserve.
again.
Say it again.
Follow.
Oh, I said that. I'm gonna mix it again.
Okay, so just mix.
So one more time, please.
One more time for churros.
Yeah.
That's not cool.
I think guys in the classroom didn't understand.
Oh man, is it? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Papel manteiga.
Nossa, tá bem, tá bem.
I think
Alright.
it's the worst hand
So-
I've ever seen.
You guys are gonna.
And now you're here. Okay, so what Camila is doing right now, she's modeling the dough and she's gonna put in the form. I don't know.
That's
I think she will stay for a 1 hour.
I don't know. In the forma.
Wait a minute.
We're gonna bake.
They're gonna bake it. in the cooking sheet. So now you can close up to me, and you can now close up to the dog,
I'm doing.
and you close up to the her hands.
Do you know what is
For her to
it?
explain.
Do you know what is it?
Okay, so I'm doing medium balls, medium dough balls, and I'm gonna put right here today on the oven.
That's not an oven. That's a
The
cooking.
oven. That's the
You're gonna
oven.
put in the cooking sheet.
I know.
So
And
now
then you're
close
gonna
up,
no,
close
no,
up,
it's
close
gonna
up,
bake in the oven.
close up, and we're gonna do this like I don't know, 15, 20 more times. We'll
So-
see you there.
Do a time lapse of the balls getting made.
Oh wait, ball's getting.
So guys, now we have already put the cookies here. Can you see it? Okay, just a few frames. Yeah, that's good. And it will stay here for 20 minutes. So we'll put in the time lapse for you can be with us doing the others cookies. Okay?
Tá mostrando minha cozinha.
So what's up, guys? The cooks are ready. Yeah, okay. After 20 minutes.
Oh my
it's here,
God.
okay. You've watched the
Reaction. What? Reaction.
I forgot it.
Reaction.
The time lapse. So it's already made.
And they look delicious. Let's go.
Please grab one.
And now we're gonna have some special guests.
Yeah.
They're gonna try the cookie for us.
Grab a
I'm gonna
bite.
show. No, they're already eating. Alright. So I'm gonna show their reactions, alright?
Okay. No.
So those are our guests. Do you guys remember them? Whoa. Look at Who made them? Who made them?
Okay. So
we're all gonna try it
in
again.
3, 2, 1, eat it.
Very good.
They're disgusting.
Guys, that was our show.
What's up, guys? There's only one thing that I forgot to tell you. That the cookies are Corinthians.
Aê, vai Corinthians!
Oi.
Vai, come pra ver se tá bom.
Ah, tá. Esse aqui tá. It's burnt.
So that's it.
Guys, that was the show. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna have more of these maybe in the future. And
Yeah, what's up, guys? One day Dingo here.
That's it, guys. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Ô, cara!
Hey, I'm here in the cookie show.
Hey guys, welcome to the cookie
Beleza,
show!
fala.
Não!
Tudo!
Aqui, na pizza. Aí a gente fala, I want to hear you.
Nossa, que chatinho.
É que legal, Pedro.
Yes, right. I'm here with.
Olá, meus amigos.
Ô, quando é que eu tenho que falar primeiro? Eu tenho que falar em inglês. Ó, começa nele aqui. Não, eu sou apresentador do programa.
Então, olha lá. Oxe, mas o apresentador é o Isaac e o João.
Vai ser nós três.
Nós três.
Ai, de novo que
E elas são nossos convidados.
eu odeio isso.
So, I'm hosting the show. What is the name of the show?
Peraí, mas
Qual
vamos
é o
lá.
show?
Vai lá pra ele, vai lá pra ele.
Cookie show!
So those are the guys we're going to eat.
Abre a boca.
Pega um pedaço.
Não foi você.
Isso.
Look,
Pega um
look at
pedaço.
that. Look
Pera,
at
não come não. É tipo ceia, é tipo ceia. Espera eu passar o pão